You send a prompt. The AI replies with something totally generic. Sound familiar? You didn't write a bad prompt, you just skipped something crucial. Context. Context is every piece of background information the AI holds when it generates a reply. Your goal, your audience, your constraints, your situation. Imagine a brilliant new colleague who knows nothing about your project. You'd brief them. That's exactly what you need to do with AI. Brief it before it works. The AI predicts a response based on what you gave it. Give it something generic, it returns something generic. Give it rich context, it returns something precise. Research shows that variations in prompt structure alone create accuracy differences of up to 76 points. Context isn't a nice-to-have, it's the main lever you control. A simple 3-layer framework covers almost every situation. Tell the AI who to be, what to do, and what limits to stay within. That's it. Here's a weak prompt. Write a welcome email for my newsletter. The AI has no audience, no tone, no goal. It plays it safe and returns something forgettable. Same task, but now we've added a role, described the audience, set the tone, capped the length, and banned jargon. The output is completely different, actually useful. Each piece of context you add narrows the space of possible replies. The AI isn't guessing anymore. It's working inside the box you built for it. Don't confuse length with context. A long, rambling prompt is still vague. Good context is short and purposeful. Every word earns its place. The context window is literally the AI's working memory. Everything it can see at once. Your prompt, past messages, uploaded files, all of it shapes the reply. Models tend to focus on the beginning and end of a prompt. Put your core instruction first, your constraints last. Don't bury the important stuff in the middle. The most common mistake? Typing keywords like a search engine. AI is a collaborator. It needs your situation, your goals, not just a few words to match against. You don't need a perfect prompt on the first try. Start with the basics, read the reply, then add missing context in a follow-up. The AI carries everything forward. Run this checklist before every prompt: role, task, audience, constraints, and what to avoid. 5 seconds of checking routinely saves minutes of bad output. To recap, context is the background the AI reasons from. Use role, task, and constraints. Put key info first. Iterate. That's the whole skill. No magic needed. If this was useful, subscribe. We drop a new clear AI technique every week. Next up, output format instructions. Comment your biggest prompting frustration below.